Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll explain whether you can transfer your Google Play balance to PayPal and what alternatives are available. First, let's clear something up. Google Play balance cannot be directly transferred to PayPal. Google's official support confirms that balances are non-transferable and cannot be refunded into another account. This means if you have credit in your Play Store account, you can only use it inside Google Play. That includes apps, movies, books, subscriptions, or in-app purchases. There's no official button or option to move it into PayPal. Now, there is one indirect method that some users have tried. If your Google Play balance was added through a redeem code or gift card, you may be able to use it toward Google products like YouTube Premium or even gift Google Play codes to someone else. In some regions, people link their Google account with a bank account, withdraw the balance, and then connect that bank account to PayPal. But this depends heavily on your country, and it does not work everywhere. Be very careful of websites or people claiming they can convert your Google Play balance to PayPal. These are often scams designed to steal your account or personal information. If someone asks you to fill in forms or provide account details, avoid it completely. The safest approach is to spend your Google Play balance directly on the Play Store, whether that's apps, games, subscriptions, or digital content. That way your balance gets used legitimately without risking your account. So to sum up, there's no official way to transfer Google Play balance into PayPal. The best option is to use it directly on the Play Store. Stay safe, avoid scams, and use your credit where it's supported. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more quick guides.